Dear students, welcome to next video on multiple choice questions of Econ 365, that is farm management, production and resource economics. In last three parts of MCQs of Econ 365, we have covered the part of farm management and production economics. So today's video is about the MCQs on resource economics. Okay, so first one, dash dash is study of ways and means achieving the optimum utilization of natural resource, both renewable and non-renewable. So options are environmental economics, B agricultural economics, C resource economics, or D all of these. So here correct answer is resource economics is the study of ways and means in achieving the optimum utilization of natural resources, both renewable and non-renewable. Next question, dash dash is economic study of resources. Options environmental economics, agricultural economics, natural resource economics, or all of these. So here correct answer is NRE, means natural resource economics is economic study of resources. Then next question, dash dash are unique in the sense that they do not have a substitute. They do not have a substitute. So option A artificial resources, option B natural resources, option C man-made resources, or D all of these. So correct answer is natural resources are unique in the sense so that they do not have a substitute. Then next question, dash dash resources can easily recovered or replace. Option A renewable resources, option B non-renewable resources, option C both of these, and option D none of these. So correct answer is renewable resources can be easily recovered or replaced. Then next question, dash dash is example of renewable resource. So petrol, option B diesel, option C coal, option D air. So correct answer is air is example of renewable resource. Then next question, dash dash is an example of biotic natural resource. Dash dash is an example of biotic natural resource. Option A air, B water, C soil, or D petroleum oil. So here correct answer is petroleum oil is an example of biotic natural resource. Then next, dash dash is an example of abiotic natural resource. Option A air, B water, C silver, or D petroleum oil. So here correct answer is silver is an example of abiotic natural resource. Then dash dash natural resources are the ones that come from the ecosphere, that is from organic and living material. So option A biotic, option B abiotic, C both of these, or D none of these. So correct answer is biotic natural resources are those which comes from ecosphere, that is which are made up of organic and living materials, that is biotic natural resources. Then next, dash dash natural resources are the ones that come from non-organic and non-living materials. So options biotic, abiotic, both of these, or none of these. So here correct answer is abiotic natural resources, that ones comes from non-organic or which are made up of non-organic and non-living materials. The next, dash dash is a cause for the natural resource depletion. Option A, human lifestyle. Option B, deforestation. Option C, environmental pollution. Or option D, all of these. So here correct answer is all of these, means all of these are the causes for the natural resource depletion. The next dash dash is the unintended benefits. Unintended benefits or loss occurring from action of one economic agent to other economic agent. Dash dash is the unintended benefit or loss occurring because of action of one economic agent to another economic agent. Option A, externality. Option B, excludability. Option C, rivalry. Or option D, none of these. So correct answer is externality is the unintended benefit or loss occurring from action of one economic agent to another economic agent. It may be benefit or loss. The next, human health problem caused by agricultural activities is dash dash. Either it is positive externality or B, negative externality or both of these or none of these. So correct answer is human health problems caused by agricultural activities is a part of negative externality. The next, dash dash is a cost or benefit of an economic activity experienced by a unrelated third party. Options, externality, excludability, rivalry, none of these. Correct answer is externality is the cost or benefit of an economic activity experienced by an unrelated third party. So this is the definition of externality. The next, sense of place, heritage, leisure, recreational and tourism are comes under. So positive externality, negative externality, both of these or none of these. So correct answer is sense of place, heritage, leisure, recreational and tourism are comes under the positive externality. The next, dash dash occurs when one agent's action leads to unintended loss to economic agent. So options are positive, negative externality, both of these or none of these. Correct answer is if the one's agent action leads to unintended loss to other economic agent, then it is said to be negative externality. So correct answer is negative externality. Then pollution from factory is an example of positive externality, negative externality, both of these or none of these. Correct answer is negative externality because it causes harm to the third party or to the other people. That's why it is comes under the negative externality. Then actions of honeybee leads to dash dash externality. As we all know, honeybee does the work of pollination or it helps for the pollination. So actions of honeybee leads to positive externality. Okay, so correct answer is positive externality. Presence of dash dash leads to market failure because it takes away pricing power of the market. So options, externality, B, excludability, C, rivalry, D, none of these. Correct answer is presence of externality leads to market failure because it takes away pricing power of the market. So this is all about the few multiple choice questions on resource economics. Please watch this full video and share this video with the students of BSc Agriculture. Thank you.